Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. First, what you want to do is check the headphones. So, I got the 3.5mm jack right here for the headphones. Now I'm gonna plug it in at the bottom, and after plugging it in, as you guys can see, we are connected to the headphones. Now we got the port at the bottom, and we want to test the headphones with another device to make sure that they are working. And you can try and inspect the jack right here for any visible damage or debris inside it, because debris inside it can block a lot of the connection, so we don't want it. Next, what you guys want to do is restart the phone. So let's press the power button, the volume down button at the same time. Here tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what you guys want to do is try another pair of headphones. So get another pair. I only have one with me, but if you do have a second one, then just get it. And I have the same jack right here, but here you guys want to just plug it in and see if they are working. If not, then what you guys can do is check for software updates or clean the headphone jack. So we're going to focus on checking the software updates. So open up the phone and go over into the settings. Now swipe down to software update almost at the bottom and click download and install. Here, as you guys can see, my software is up to date, so my One UI version is 8, the Android version 16. And if you are not on the latest version, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software. Next, what you guys want to do, as I've mentioned before, clean the headphone jack. So you guys can use a toothpick or a small brush to carefully remove any dust or debris from the headphone jack. I showed the headphone jack to you, it's of course at the bottom. And if you're using the headphones with the USB-C, then make sure to clean the charging port instead of the headphone jack. Next, what you guys want to do is check for any hardware issues. And if nothing worked here, then maybe the headphone jack or the USB-C might be faulty. So I would recommend considering visiting a service for, let's say, your phone's checkup and see if they can fix anything. Now, for the Bluetooth headphones, what we're gonna do first is toggle Bluetooth off and on. So we're gonna go to settings. Now here we're gonna go to connections and now Bluetooth. Here, as you guys can see, we need to tap on the switch right at the top. Now it's on. And what we want to do next is we want to forget and repair the headphones. So you guys can do that pretty easily. Just grab your headphones and I'll quickly unpair those. You click on the gear icon, unpair, and then you need to start pairing them. So this process is different for everybody depending on what headphones you're using. And here, after you go into the pairing mode, you click scan and they should show up right here. So yes, they are here, and click pair now. As you guys can see, they are connected. And after that, make sure to avoid the device interference, because it's very important to know that if your headphones are connected with another device, they can easily connect there first instead of your Samsung, and we don't want it. So make sure to turn off Bluetooth on some devices that you have the same headphones connected on. And as a last resort, you guys want to go over into general management and then reset. Here you guys will reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So this will delete all your Wi-Fi networks and every single Bluetooth device that was paired here, but it will fix everything. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.